24, 22, 26. I can't even pack this hair. Like, I can't. It's literally like my heart can't go through. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funmi, and yeah, today I'm gonna be taking out my braids. Okay, 3 months old braid. Okay, I had it on the 19th. I had it braided on the 19th of November, and today is the 18th of February. So yes, it's overdue, and yes, I know I count my braids. It's weird, I don't know why I do it, probably to estimate time. On this side I have 24 braids, on this side I have 22 braids, at the back I have 26 braids. So altogether I have 72 braids. I figured that it would take me about 2 hours to take out if I don't take too many breaks, but I definitely will because there's a lot to do.
Stop it. Get some help.
I do need to relax my hair, but I won't be able to do it today because I want to give my hair time to rest. From the combing, from the manipulating and all that kind of thing. I don't really like doing relaxer straight on, so I normally like to give my hair a day after I take it out to rest my scalp and my hair strands. I am going to start from the front, which is weird because I normally start from the back. Reason being that just in case I get tired or something happens and I'm not able to finish it, I can pack it up to the back and clip it all away, and no one's going to know I've been taking out my hair. But because I know that I want to take it out today, come what may, I'm starting from the front. Anyway, what I normally do is I flip there's a shiny side. Okay, this side is shiny. Yeah, that's the shiny side, and then normally I just flip it to the other side that's not the shiny side. Well, they're both shiny to be fair, but there's one that looks like it's getting braided down, and there's one that looks like it's going up. So I normally flip it to the other side. You can use your hands, but I like to use the tail comb. It helps me to get the job done faster. And I always have a shower comb. This one is to detangle, obviously scissors to cut your hair, applicator bottle. There's sunflower oil in here to loosen up any build-up that I may have. So this is going to take me some time obviously, but yeah, I'm willing to invest in it. I just want my hair back. Okay, I'm tired of the braids. I just want my hair back. Okay, so yeah, join me on this journey. Let's take it out together. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention earlier on, when you're cutting your hair for braids, I'm sure everyone's done braids at some point in time. Just for anyone who may have not done this before, just make sure you're cutting longer than what your hair length would normally be. Trust me, you don't want to cut less. Okay, there you can see that I'm gently detangling my hair. I went in with the shower comb at first and with the small tail comb. Look how much I got from there. Oh my goodness, look at that gunk. Anyway, on the flip side, at least I got like an inch of growth. So that's something to be happy about. Seriously guys, am I the only one who doesn't like taking out their hair? I really don't like doing this chore. I find it a bit very, very stressful. But that being said, whenever you take out your braid, make sure you comb out each braid. Don't be tempted, I repeat, do not be tempted to take out all the braid and try and detangle or comb it all at once. You will lose a lot of hair, you get frustrated, you will cry. So please do take out your braid, each braid, and comb out each braid every single time, because the gunk will stay there and it'll be much more difficult to comb out. So you want to take your time and do it.
I guess now is a very good time to say thank you so much for everyone who supported this channel. Thank you for following, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good stuff. And yeah, I'll be very, very grateful and appreciate you for that. And you may have noticed that I've been using some oil on my scalp. That's sunflower oil, like I mentioned earlier in the video. Sunflower oil is very, very good for your scalp. It's non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores. It's easily absorbed into the skin. I learned this from one of our baby classes, the ones I took when I was having my firstborn. The midwives said that we shouldn't use olive oil on our baby's skin, we should use sunflower oil. That's the new regulation or something. So I went to do some research on it. I realized that olive oil actually does cause skin conditions to get a bit worse. Sunflower oil actually does not do that. It's very, very good for many skin types. It contains a high level of vitamin E, linoleic acid, which helps to maintain the skin barrier. It's got anti-inflammatory properties as well, which means that it helps to reduce inflammation or prevent inflammation. Ever since I started using sunflower oil on my scalp, I've not felt any itching. I don't scratch my scalp. I've never had any issues with scratching my scalp, and it does not stink. I will put the link to all my research below in the description box for anyone who's interested, so you can go and check that out. So obviously, like you can tell, there's a trend here. Whenever I take out a braid, I first finger detangle. I take out, or try and take apart as much as I can. I use the wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and then go in with the smaller comb to remove any smaller hairs that I may have missed, and also to take out more of the gunk in the middle. So then I go ahead and apply oils, my sunflower oil, to that area. Any area that I find very particularly difficult to sort out, I will take it apart very gently with a pick that I just showed you now, and then apply oils that will help me to dissolve it. And also the oil is good for pre-relaxer treatment as well. It helps to form a barrier between your scalp and the relaxer.
Hey, we are done. Praise God. Oh my goodness, my scalp is literally throbbing right now. I've had to take out my hair and brush it, and it's just so much. But what I've done is I've also oiled my scalp just to get it ready for relaxer. 2 days after, I'm going to allow my scalp to rest. I'm not going to relax immediately because that can damage my hair. So yes, I've had a lot of shedding. Get ready to see. Are you ready to see how much shedding? Oh my goodness. I don't think you want to see it. It's a miracle that I still have hair on my head. But I'm going to show you. Drum rolls, please. Drum rolls. Ah! I have so much hair. Oh my goodness. I would have hair, I don't know how. I have so much shedding. I mean, to be fair, hair has been falling out anyway, daily, so it's had nowhere to go. It's been trapped, but still, this is a lot of hair, like a lot of hair, and it's quite dirty. Personally, I wouldn't advise for you to keep your braids this long. I've just had it in for this long because I've had so much to do. Really busy, and it just helps me to get my hair out of the way, and I don't have to worry about styling it. All in all, I've not had any troubles taking it out. The only issue is spending time taking it out. It takes hours to get it braided, and it takes hours to get it out. It's kind of annoying. So I can't even pack this hair, like I can't. It's literally like my heart can't go from. I have put my hair in a very loose bun, ready for bed. I prepared my hair with some oils. ready for relaxing tomorrow. So this is how I'm going to church tomorrow. I'm just gonna tie a scarf around and that's it. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to this channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and also share it with your friends. Follow us on social media, Malaya Beauty everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, even here on YouTube. So thank you so much for joining me. I'm really glad that you stayed till the end. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.